There we are, Saturday morning, Mel's in the van waving, just coming to do the church, Ouston Ferry. We set off a bit late because it was really frosty in Scunthorpe, but it looks okay here. The church is in the background. We can't get the van we can get it up here, but we'll have to get everything out and walk up to the church then. Here we are. Vacuum is in the van for now. I'm going to go up onto the main roof. Set a ladder up there. I've got a rope, so when I'm up there, Mel can pass me the brush and the blower. This gutter here at the top was blocked. I've just unblocked it, so now I don't know if you can see it at the bottom.
Yeah, it's blocked at the bottom.
But water's running down now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's running down, but it's running over.
Yeah, it was all blocked up here. Another tile here which is all come loose. It isn't broke, it's come away. Just cleaned out this top gutter here, as you can see. A bit blocked at that end. Once I've got all these leaves up, I'll send the rope down, Mel can attach the blower, and then I'll bring the blower up to blow all the little sticky bits. It's really blocked at that end, so I'll get to that in a moment. At the other side on the roof now, again really full. You see that downpipe at the top here, really full up, so the water's blocked, it's not going down. There's a cracked tile there, so one missing there, and a bit of a tile crack there. So as you can see now, I've unblocked the downpipe, but we will be flushing it as well. This is all clean swept, and use a blower to get all the little bits at the end, so now the water can flow freely. That's all that side. All this side. Again, these tiles what I pointed out where there's bits missing, a little crack. I did point these out a year ago when we did the gutters then, but they're still as they are at the moment. As you can see now from earlier, this is all unblocked, so the water will flow. Just need to get down now. You on ladder, Mel?
Yeah, I'm on it.
All looks nice and clean. All the top gutter is clean as well inside. Just in the area above the front door, see a big pile of leaves there. Here. We're now putting fresh water into the drain. Now all the mud's gone. Hopefully, yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's good. We're at the other side of the church now. Mel's flushing the downpipe there. Yeah, just run it for a bit, then we can vacuum it out again now. Got the interceptor ready, there's the survey camera. Mel's flushed this one out already. Oh yeah, just flushed them from the lower drain.